Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting review for you as we explore the stunning Serenade All Suites, adults only, resort in Punta Cana. If you're looking for a romantic getaway or a peaceful retreat, this might just be the perfect destination for you. Stay tuned as we uncover all the details about this beautiful resort. Serenade All Suites is an adults-only resort located just 1.1 km from the famous Cabeza de Toro Beach. This luxurious resort is designed specifically for couples and adults seeking a serene escape. With its beautiful surroundings and top-notch amenities, it promises a relaxing and enjoyable stay. Let's dive into the highlights of Serenade All Suites. First off, the property boasts a stunning outdoor pool, a well-equipped fitness center, and a lush garden area. The private beach is a true gem, offering guests a tranquil spot to unwind. The accommodations are modern and stylish, featuring air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, and private bathrooms stocked with complimentary toiletries. Guests rave about the cleanliness and the fresh decor throughout the resort. When it comes to dining, the resort offers a delicious buffet breakfast every morning, along with a restaurant serving a variety of American, Caribbean, and Italian dishes. Vegetarian and vegan options are also available, ensuring that everyone can find something to enjoy. Entertainment options abound, with activities like snorkeling and other leisure pursuits available nearby. The attentive staff is always ready to assist, making your stay even more enjoyable. However, no resort is without its drawbacks. Some guests have mentioned that while the amenities are fantastic, the resort can get busy during peak seasons, which may lead to longer wait times at the restaurant. To avoid any inconveniences, I recommend making dining reservations in advance. Personally, I was impressed by the beautiful beach and the variety of pools available. The atmosphere is perfect for relaxation, and the staff truly goes above and beyond to ensure a pleasant experience. If you're planning to visit, I suggest taking advantage of the breakfast buffet to fuel your day of exploration. In conclusion, Serenade All Suites, adults only. Resort is a fantastic choice for couples and adults looking for a peaceful getaway in Punta Cana. With its beautiful surroundings, excellent service, and delicious dining options, it's sure to provide a memorable vacation experience. If you enjoyed this review, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and resort reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.